Welcome to the Solaxx PureChlor video series cell cleaning video. The PureChlor system is a reliable, robust, and effective way to maintain the necessary chlorine level in your pool. However, to run efficiently, the PureChlor system requires periodic maintenance, such as cleaning debris and calcium buildup from the salt cell regularly. One of the byproducts of the salt generator system is higher pH, which combined with warm water temperatures can contribute to calcium buildup in the salt cell. Once the cell is coated in the buildup, it effectively traps the heat to the cell blades and can cause even more significant buildup, and possibly even contribute to a reduced life expectancy of the cell. We recommend cleaning the cell roughly every 3 to 4 months or 500 hours of operation. To get started with cleaning the cell, you'll need gloves, protective eyewear, muriatic acid, or vinegar if preferred, access to a garden hose, and either a cell cleaning cap or a large bucket. Turn the pool system, including the pump and the PureChlor, off. Remove the cell from the plumbing line. Remove the O-rings from either end of the cell. Attach the cleaning cap to one end of the cell. If you do not have the cell cleaning cap, place the cell into the bucket after filling it with the cleaning solution. Make sure to keep the cell connections outside the bucket. Mix the cleaning solution so that 1 part of muriatic acid is poured into 4 parts of water to create the desired ratio. White vinegar can also be used if muriatic acid is not available. If you have the cell cleaning cap, you can easily fill the cell about 4/5 of the way with water and then top it off with the acid. If you're using a bucket to clean the cell, fill the bucket with the same ratio of water and then add acid. If you're using white vinegar, the entire bucket or cell can be filled with vinegar. Once the solution comes in contact with the cell blades, there should be noticeable bubbling or fizzing as the blades are cleaned of debris. Depending on the buildup, the bubbling may stop in a few moments or last several minutes. Once the bubbling dies down or stops, the cell is clean. If the bubbling continues longer than 10 minutes, do not leave the acid solution in the cell longer. Instead, empty, rinse, and repeat the process. Sometimes the process takes longer with vinegar. It is okay to leave the vinegar in the cell for longer than 10 minutes. Reinsert the O-rings to the cell ends and then reinstall the cell to the plumbing line. Reconnect the cell electrical connections to the power supply unit if they were disconnected. Now that your cell is clean, it should continue to operate efficiently. If you have questions about the health of the cell at this point, look for our PureChlor Tech Mode video to learn how to run the onboard diagnostics for the unit to confirm the health of the cell. If you have any further questions on the cleaning process or anything not covered in our video tutorials, please feel free to contact our customer support, available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 561-455-0252, or email support@solaxx.com.